Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about the best way to improve your cardiovascular health. Your heart and blood vessels are key to your overall health, and taking care of them is essential. So, let's dive in. 1. Exercise. The best way to improve your cardiovascular health is through exercise. Regular physical activity can lower your blood pressure, reduce your risk of heart disease, and improve your heart's ability to pump blood. Aim for at least 45 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, most days of the week. 2. Healthy diet. The second way to improve your cardiovascular health is through a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help lower your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Limit your intake of processed and high-fat foods, sugary beverages, and excessive alcohol consumption. 3. Manage stress. The third way to improve your cardiovascular health is through stress management. Chronic stress can be contributing to high blood pressure and heart disease. Practice stress-relieving techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help manage your stress levels. 4. Quit smoking. The fourth way to improve your cardiovascular health is to quit smoking. Smoking is a leading cause of heart disease, and quitting can help reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. Conclusion. In conclusion, the best way to improve your cardiovascular health is through exercise, a healthy diet, stress management, and quitting smoking. By incorporating these habits into your lifestyle, you can lower your risk of heart disease and improve your overall health.